Hi friends, welcome to Technical Vijay channel. How fast does your internet need to be? You have been stuck at home more than you would like during the coronavirus pandemic. So you are relying on the internet to socialize, stream media and get work done. Zooming with the loved ones and office mates. Streaming services such as Amazon Prime and Netflix and playing the online games are the new normal, but you are frustrated with an internet connection that too frequently stalls and just it is plain slow. So is there any path to speed up your internet speed, or must you buy into a expensive giga speed promotions that broadband providers offers? And just how fast is fast enough? There is no one single answer for this question. This all depends on the size of your home, the number of people living in there, and the number of devices competing for precious broadband. All factors they are to be taken into consideration. What's more, your neighbors may contribute to network congestions if it is a wireless connection, and the speed may get worse as the weather turns colder in parts of the countries. Having the kids or grandkids start their new school year from home does not help either. Here is some important guide to determine how much internet speed one should have. This may vary for special cases. First one, run a speed test. Several online tests are available for free at sites such as fast.com, speedoff.me, speakeasy.net and testme.net. Another popular option is Ookla speed test, available at speedtest.net or as a download for iOS, Android, Windows, macOS, Google Chrome and Apple TV. When you click or press go, packets of data are dispatched between your device and Ookla's network of local servers as the test gauges download and upload speeds in megabits per second. You will also receive a ping test result also, which tells you how long your connection needs to be respond to a request. Second one, put the results in a context. Streaming video exerts a far greater demand on your broadband than, say, checking email. Netflix recommends speeds of at least 3 Mbps to watch a single standard quality video, 5 Mbps for high definition and 25 Mbps for ultra high definition or 4K. If housemates are simultaneously watching on other screens or yakking on a video call while streaming a game, the broadband requirements are much more. The reality is the internet for mixed use, the comparison sites broadband now helps people select an internet plans and features a speed calculator. You are asked a series of questions about the number of people who use the internet or Wi-Fi daily, the number of devices in use, the frequency of use, and whether you frequently stream videos on multiple devices simultaneously and what quality. Based on your collective response, you will receive an internet speed recommendations. Perform a device maintenance. Make sure all your computer and other devices are running the latest software, including security updates. And if your internet browser is slow, try clearing out all the caches and cookies, that is, the tiny files accumulated as you browse the web. Look under the browser help menu for the repair. Move, amplify or replace the router. If you plan to stick with your current router, move it to more central location if possible. If you are ready to retire the router, choose a replacement compatible with the modern industry standards. Notably, models that adhere to sounding industry standards written out as 802.11 AC, that is Wi-Fi 5, or the emerging 802.11 AX, that is Wi-Fi 6. Old routers only run 802.11n or 802.11g standards. Go for the Gigabit Ethernet solution. If these efforts fail, it may be a time for switch for the Gigabit Internet, so named because the data are transmitted up to 1 gigabit per second or 1000 Mbps, roughly double the fastest cable internet. from your provider or from a rival. Data typically pass through the fiber optic lines rather than traditional copper wire. In some places, emerging wireless 5G cellular plans also provides. Be prepared to pay more, at least after promotions run out, and keep it in mind that while you are almost certain to see an improvement, the speeds you experience are unlikely to match that hype. Even the fastest internet connection may hit bottlenecks at its as it funnels through your home to the router and behind. So the conclusion may be the minimum you need is if one person is doing the task below on the internet, that user will need at least the following internet speeds. Let us see. If a person is surfing only email, podcasts, social media or songs, 1 megabit per second is enough. That is 1 Mbps. Zoom or another video chats, for that it will be 2 Mbps. Standard high definition streaming videos 480 pixels tall, that will be requires 3 to 4 Mbps speed. High definition streaming videos requires, that is 720p, requires 5 to 8 Mbps speed. Ultra high definition 4K streaming videos, that is 2160p, it will require 25 Mbps speeds. So friends, based on your requirement, the internet speed will be depends. That is, as we have already told that in the beginning, the requirement of the speed will depends on the number of people who are using simultaneously and at what standards, that is at what qualities they are using, that all it depends. So I hope this video helps you to choose the internet speed. Friends, if you are not subscribed to this channel still, they can be subscribed and press the bell icon. Thank you.